What if you could own an electric scooter that combines classic styling, modern technology, and zero-emission performance? Meet the Bajaj Chetak Electric, one of the most popular premium electric scooters on the market. In this video, we'll explore its design, features, performance, battery, and whether it's worth buying. Classic design with a modern twist. The Bajaj Chetak Electric retains the iconic Chetak styling while adding premium metal body panels, LED lighting, sleek alloy wheels, and a futuristic digital instrument cluster. It looks elegant, durable, and stands out from typical plastic-bodied scooters. Performance. Powered by an electric motor, the Chetak delivers smooth and silent acceleration that's perfect for city commuting. It offers multiple riding modes, making it easy to switch between better performance and maximum battery efficiency. Battery and range. The scooter comes with a lithium-ion battery pack that provides a practical riding range suitable for daily commuting. Charging is simple using a home charging point, making it convenient for everyday use. Features. The Bajaj Chetak Electric is packed with modern features including fully digital display, smartphone connectivity, reverse mode, LED headlamp and tail lamp, keyless functionality on selected variants, regenerative braking for improved efficiency. Safety. Safety features include a strong metal body, reliable braking system, excellent stability, and quality suspension that delivers a comfortable ride even on rough city roads. Pros and cons. Pros: premium build quality, stylish retro design, smooth and quiet ride, low maintenance, trusted Bajaj brand. Cons: higher price than some competitors, best suited for city use rather than long distance touring. Charging takes longer than refueling a petrol scooter. Conclusion: if you're looking for a premium electric scooter with excellent build quality, stylish looks, and dependable performance, the Bajaj Chetak Electric is a strong contender. It's ideal for daily commuters who want comfort, reliability, and eco-friendly transportation. Outro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more automobile reviews and the latest EV updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.